Hola mi gente, ¿cómo están? How are you? I come to you today again with another unboxing video. I received my BoxyCharm in the mail today. This is the February box. And I also received a package of add-ons that I will be discussing with you guys as well. I'm going to show you the pictures of the products that I got in my box, and I'll show you what they look like, what my box looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open this now for you guys. I already broke the seal, so it'll be a little easier. This is the inside of the box. Month's theme is BoxyCharm XOXO. It's got a list of the products and what they retail for as well, and what each product does. Yuzu Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. By the way, this is a vitamin C sleeping mask. So I do use retinol, so I cannot put this with my retinols. I cannot combine it with my AHAs. I don't think. I gotta look into that. And I definitely can't combine it with my copper peptides. Regular peptides, yes. Copper peptides, no. Retinols, no. So I'm gonna see where I can stick this in my nighttime routine. This is the packaging. How it comes. It's actually much bigger, but you could tell the small bit of product in the inside. That's the top of the product. It has a little spatula inside, and I like this because that way you don't get to dig your fingers all up in there and your hand doesn't get all dirty. The product doesn't get all messed up. That is the look of the product. Put it on my hand and show you how it spreads very easily. Almost feels like an oil when you spread it. It has a nice orangey smell to it too. I like that. Oops. Oh God. Of course, I'm already dropping stuff. Jesus. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and put this up before I break it. Thank God it's not glass, it's plastic. It's not greasy feeling, it's not sticky. It literally absorbs right into your skin. This is a very lightweight sleeping mask. This is not one of those heavy sleeping masks. So I think this will be really good for those of you that are real oily combination skin, that can't use really thick, face moisturizers and stuff. This is real nice. St. Lux limited edition liner duo. This St. Lux has 2 liners in here, and they're really pretty. I wonder if they're both the same color. No, they're slightly different. That's the brown one. That's what it looks like. And this is the other one. It's called Love Letter. That's a nice lighter color, definitely, than this one. This one I would use. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass these on because these look like they would be just way too dark for me. Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek product. Now this is what the Wander Beauty looks like. Oh, it's real pretty. Look at this. It's a real nice packaging. It's plastic. That's what it looks like on my hand right there. It's a nice pinky shade. It looks like a highlighter. Yeah, it looks like a, it's a very light highlighter. You can't even see it. I got that wrong. I got that backwards. The top one is actually a creamy. That makes so much sense why it's got that color. This one is actually for the cheeks right there. And the clear one in the bottom is actually for the lips. Here's something else. This is a Glamiere. This is so sparkly and pretty. Look at this. It looks like something my 3-year-old niece would have. What is this? Glamiere Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Okay, it's a glittery eye brush. It retails for $29.95. I wouldn't have thought the price tag on this thing by the packaging. It looks like cheap plastic packaging. It looks like Barbie packaging. You know, I have a cosplay as a Barbie doll. There it goes. It's kind of cute though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. It smells like cheap Barbie plastic too. Oh, it's got a liquid in there, and look, the glitter kind of comes. I like that. That's pretty. Oh gosh, I think I'm gonna give this to my niece. She would love this stuff. I'm not gonna. It's four. It's got one for your eyeliner and some for contouring in your eyes. Last but not least in the bag is Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It gives me, I don't know, it gives me like fall spring vibes. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. See the inside. Pretty colors. Really pretty spring colors. I would love this. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna swatch this green because I want to see what it looks like on my skin tone. Oh, guys, look at that green. Almost like a teal. You guys see that? That is gorgeous. And let me see how pigmented this other, it's got like a mustardy yellow in here. I want to see how pigmented that is. Most yellows don't show up on my skin tone because I'm very yellow, but look at this. Look at that color payoff. That was just one swipe, guys. And it's got a nice little like gold foil color. That's the gold foil right there. Oh, that would pair so nice together. I can't wait to try this out on a look. Okay guys, that was it for an inside look inside my February BoxyCharm box. This was the base box. Tell me what you thought about the products, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you would keep, what you wouldn't keep. Yeah, now let me go ahead and move on to my add-on box that I happen to receive the same exact day. This is my add-on box. I know it looks pretty big, but it's just well packaged. I mean, they take good care of the things that come inside here. All right. Let me take out the first thing and show you what it is. I got the Sunday Riley High Dose A+ Retinoid Serum. I'm really interested in seeing how this product functions. It's the 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. That's what it looks like. It's very liquidy, as you can see, and it's got a yellow consistency. And actually, oh gosh, I hope I don't break out. It has a citrusy smell to it. A lot of citrusy products break me out. This is actually supposed to be a really good product. At least it has really good reviews. It is a high product. In the add-on store, I only paid $24 for this product, but for 1 fluid ounce at Sephora, it retails for $85. So you're getting a really good deal for stuff like this. Like, stuff like this is really worth it for you to go on there in the add-on or the pop-up store and really splurge on the things that, you know, cost that much that you're wanting to try, like this one. It says it's got 6.5% retinoid blend and retinol alternatives. So it's got CoQ10 plus honey as well. I'm interested to see how, if I don't break out, I'm interested to see how it works on my skin. Let's see. Retinol esters plus retinol. Interesting. Another product, ooh, is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, yes. I had this before they added the retinol in it. They reformulated it. Now it has retinol in it. The other formula did not. It's got avocado as well as PHAs. PHA is a very gentle exfoliator. I think it's one of the most gentles out there. So we'll see. I don't know if I would use this along with my retinol though. Actually doesn't have a scent. I like that. Here's another product. Oh, I've never tried this one. I've been interested to try it. Oh, by the way, I only paid $18 for that avocado mask. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. It's in the shade 240. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on my hand. Ooh, there you go. What do you guys think? How about the shade match? It looks pretty accurate to me. Yeah, I like that. Oh, very nice. My face is really red, but I think that'll, yeah, I like that. I think that'll work out really well as far as shade goes. Let me just clean my hand off because I know I'm gonna try other products. All right, so this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. Again, I got this at the Add-On store. My shade is 240. Beautiful shade, beautiful foundation, beautiful texture. Here's another one. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Balm. This is actually a first step cleanse. It's an oil balm, and what you do is this is great for people like me that have wear a lot of eye makeup and stuff, or that have really dry skin. This retails for $32, but I paid $18 at the Add-On store. This is the packaging. It is glass, so I'll make sure not to drop this. And it comes with its own little spatula. And let me see. Glow recipes are usually highly scented. Yes, it is. But it doesn't smell like papaya. The scent is not really strong. It's almost like it does smell like sorbet, like one of those rainbow sorbets. It's a pretty thick balm. You would put it on and massage it all over your face. It'll remove your eye makeup. And what you do is you massage it on a dry face. It removes everything. It doesn't sting your eyes or bother you, but it very gently emulsifies everything on your face. And what you do is you then go ahead and wet your hands with water, splash it on your face, and it'll turn it from an oil to like a milky whitish consistency, and it literally rinses clean off of your face, and it takes everything from your face along with it. So I have this Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Now, I love this lip balm. I got it last month in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and I love this so much that when the pop-up store opened, I went ahead and bought 3. And they retail for $33, but last month I got them for $6 each. This is what it looks like, if you guys forgot. Yeah, and this month I got the Bali lip balm for $4 at the Add-On store. It was an even better deal, so I went ahead and got myself some more because I love it that much. Yeah, that is it for my box, guys. That is it for my Add-On box, as well as my BoxyCharm base box. Again, if you guys want to know anything else about the products, if you want a tutorial, you want me to show you how the products work, what they look like, go ahead and send me a message. Hit me down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, and I will continue to show you my boxes, what I get, how I use it, how the products work on my skin. And hopefully you guys find some new things that you like, some things that are worth you trying out. All right, until next time, adios, and you have a good night.